rock and roll's got into such a weird thing now because so many people analysing it, and you know, especially in America, there's the most. Oh, it's a lot made of nothing, as far as I'm concerned. You know, people writing in newspapers, filling up space, but I mean, they're reviewing one song, taking, you know, 6 columns. You know, the sociological meaning, the religious meaning, the political meaning.
Rock and roll has evolved into something quite unusual nowadays. Many individuals are dissecting it in detail, especially in America, where it's often overanalyzed. In my opinion, it's much ado about nothing. Writers fill pages with their reviews, often stretching a single song's analysis across 6 columns, exploring its sociological, religious, and political significance. Mick Jagger, born on July 26, 1943, in Dartford, Kent, England, was a lively and inquisitive child raised in a humble middle-class household. His father, Basil Jagger, was a physical education instructor who instilled the value of exercise and discipline, traits that shaped Mick's character throughout his life. His mother, Eva Jagger, had a deep appreciation for jazz and blues, encouraging his artistic tendencies and introducing him to the music that would later define his career. As a young boy, Mick excelled academically and earned admission to the prestigious London School of Economics. However, his unwavering passion for music eventually pulled him away from academia. In 1960, a serendipitous encounter with Keith Richards, an old childhood acquaintance, reignited Mick's musical dreams. Together, they formed the Rolling Stones, a band that would go on to become one of the most iconic and enduring names in rock and roll history.
Sometimes be fairly critical of you. He was not too happy when you accepted a knighthood, was he?
No, I mean, he's not a happy person.
What do you mean?
What I said. You can't understand that, you can't understand anything.
But he's often critical of you then?
He's not happy.
Keith Richards has occasionally been openly critical of Mick. For instance, he wasn't thrilled when Mick accepted a knighthood. Mick brushed it off, stating, "He's not a particularly happy person." While Keith often expresses discontent, Mick seems to take it in stride, focusing on their shared legacy rather than the criticisms. At 81, Mick Jagger remains a legendary figure, a father, grandfather, and cultural icon who still performs with the vitality of someone half his age. How does he manage to defy the aging process and maintain such a dynamic lifestyle? The answer lies in his disciplined diet, rigorous exercise regimen, carefully chosen supplements, and focused recovery strategies.
Running.
So what do you do? I mean, lots of
well, on the days off,
weightlifting, running, all that stuff?
A lot of running on the days off, which is like just what you want to do on the days off.
Before we dive deeper, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with our latest content. If you're enjoying the video, smash that like button and show your support. Also, drop a comment below to share your thoughts, experiences, or questions. We'd love to hear from you. And make sure to hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. The 5 foods Mick Jagger eats for longevity. Avocados. Mick incorporates avocados into his diet for their heart-healthy fats, which provide lasting energy. Additionally, their high potassium, folate, and vitamin E content supports muscle recovery and skin health. Lean proteins. He prioritizes organic chicken and fatty fish like salmon, which supply high-quality protein and essential nutrients. Chicken aids in muscle repair, while omega-3s and salmon reduce inflammation, enhance brain function, and promote heart health. Fresh fruits and vegetables. Seasonal produce such as berries, bananas, apples, spinach, and broccoli offers Mick vital vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which boost energy, strengthen immunity, and keep his skin vibrant. Whole grains. Foods like quinoa, oats, and barley provide slow-releasing energy and dietary fiber, aiding digestion and stabilizing blood sugar levels for sustained energy. Goji berries. Known as a superfood, goji berries help combat aging and improve energy levels. Packed with antioxidants, they enhance endurance and vitality, making them a perfect snack for Mick's active lifestyle. Mick Jagger's daily meal plan. Breakfast. Mick begins his day with whole grain cereals such as oats, paired with plant-based milk. Fresh fruits like berries or bananas deliver antioxidants and potassium for hydration and muscle function. Greek yogurt adds protein and probiotics, while smoothies or juices made with spinach, kale, and fruits provide a nutrient-dense start to his day. Lunch. His midday meal includes lean proteins like grilled chicken or salmon, complemented by whole grains such as quinoa or brown rice for sustained energy. Steamed or roasted vegetables like zucchini and broccoli offer fiber and essential vitamins, with olive oil and lemon juice adding a light, healthy dressing. Dinner. For dinner, Mick opts for grilled salmon or tofu to gain omega-3s and protein, accompanied by a mixed green salad topped with nuts or avocado. Side dishes such as roasted sweet potatoes or sautéed spinach add variety and essential nutrients, helping him recover and prepare for the next day. Foods Mick Jagger avoids. Processed foods, packaged snacks, fast food, and ready-made meals are completely excluded from Mick's diet, as they are loaded with unhealthy fats, preservatives, and sugars that can harm energy levels and overall health. Sugary foods and beverages. Desserts, sodas, and other sugary items are avoided to maintain steady energy and reduce inflammation caused by excess sugar. Refined carbohydrates. Instead of white bread and pastries, Mick chooses whole grains for better nutrition and stable blood sugar levels. Mick Jagger's weekly workout routine. Mick's fitness routine is as dynamic as his stage performances, blending cardio, strength, and flexibility exercises to maintain his agility and stamina. Running. Mick runs daily to enhance his cardiovascular health and endurance. This mirrors the intense physical movements during his performances, where he covers up to 12 miles in a single concert. Cycling. A longtime favorite, cycling offers a low-impact cardiovascular workout that strengthens his legs without straining his joints. Kickboxing. This high-intensity workout sharpens Mick's reflexes, improves coordination, and enhances overall strength while serving as an effective stress reliever. Ballet. Ballet plays a key role in helping Mick maintain balance and fluid movements, crucial for his energetic stage presence. Weight training. To counter age-related muscle loss, Mick includes a combination of compound and isolation exercises in his regimen. Pilates. Pilates focuses on core stability, posture, and alignment, ensuring Mick stays injury-free. Dynamic stretching. To prepare for performances and workouts, Mick uses dynamic stretches to improve range of motion and reduce injury risks. Aerial yoga. Using silk hammocks, this practice enhances Mick's flexibility, strengthens his muscles, and offers mental relaxation. Pre-tour training. Before tours, Mick undergoes an intense 6-week training program involving daily gym sessions, cardio, and dance rehearsals to stay in peak form.
Well, it depends on what shape you're in, to start off with. But,
What shape were you in?
I was in reasonable shape, not good shape, but I was reasonable, you know. So I had to work about 2 months to get into shape to do it. But then, if you're on the road for 3 months, you've got to stay there, you know, you can't just dip off.
The 5 supplements Mick Jagger relies on. Vitamin A. Supports healthy vision, strengthens immunity, and promotes youthful skin through natural sources like carrots and spinach. Vitamin C. Enhances immunity, aids in collagen production for skin elasticity, and supports joint health. Vitamin D. Vital for bone strength, muscle health, and immune function, with sunlight exposure and supplementation ensuring optimal levels. Cod liver oil. Rich in omega-3s and vitamins A and D, it supports heart and brain health, reduces inflammation, and improves joint mobility. Ginseng. An adaptogen that boosts energy, focus, and mental clarity while reducing stress, often enjoyed in teas as part of Mick's routine. Mick Jagger's enduring vitality at 81 is nothing short of extraordinary. His disciplined lifestyle, centered around a balanced diet, rigorous exercise, and smart supplementation, has allowed him to defy the aging process and continue performing with unmatched energy. By prioritizing heart-healthy fats from avocados, lean proteins, fresh fruits and vegetables, and nutrient-dense whole grains, he fuels his active lifestyle while avoiding processed foods, refined carbs, and sugary treats. Mick's dynamic workout routine, including running, cycling, kickboxing, ballet, weight training, and aerial yoga, ensures he maintains strength, stamina, and flexibility. These practices not only prepare him for high-energy performances, but also promote long-term health and injury prevention. Supplementing with vitamins A, C, and D, along with cod liver oil and ginseng, further supports his vision, immunity, joint health, and mental clarity. Mick's dedication to his wellness reflects his commitment to a lifestyle that combines discipline and passion, proving that age is no barrier to living an extraordinary life. If you're inspired by Mick Jagger's journey and want to learn more about healthy living, fitness, and longevity, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Let's keep the inspiration alive.